become future stars. Chapter 9. Soil. Long, long ago, there was no life on Earth. It was covered with rocks. The rocks got heated due to the heat of the sun and then cooled down because of water and low temperature. This heating and cooling of rocks resulted in the breaking down of rocks into pieces. These pieces further broke down into tiny pieces due to the action of wind, water, and heat. This process is called weathering of rocks. The pieces rubbed against each other till they became small particles of soil. Brainy bites. It takes almost 100 years for nature to create 1 inch of topsoil. Soil contains water, air, and humus. Humus is the remains of dead animals, plants, and leaves. It is very fertile and is good for the growth of plants. Soil can differ in smoothness, color, and size of its particles. Layers of soil. Soil is found in a number of layers called horizons. Topsoil, a horizon. It is the uppermost layer of soil. It is dark in color. It is soft and has pores. Plants grow well in this soil. Subsoil, B horizon. This layer is just below the topsoil. It is harder and more compact than the topsoil. It is lighter in color. It has broken rock pieces. Bedrock, C horizon. This is the lowest layer. It is made of large hard rocks. It does not have pores. Nothing can grow in this rocky layer. Soil contains air and water. Soil contains air. If we take some soil in a jar and pour a little water over it, we will see bubbles. These bubbles are formed by the air that is trapped in the soil. This shows that soil contains air. Soil also contains water. If we put some soil in a jar, close the lid, and put the jar in the sun, after some time, the inner wall of the jar will become wet. This shows that soil contains water. Kinds of soil. Sandy soil. This type of soil has large sand particles and is mostly made of sand. It is found on the riverbed, seashores, or in deserts. It cannot hold water well. It is yellow, gray, or brown in color. It is used for making buildings by mixing it with cement. Clayey soil. Clayey soil has the smallest grains or particles. It is found near rivers and ponds. It is sticky and has a great water-holding capacity. It is used for making pots, bricks, tiles, etc. Loam soil. Loam is a mixture of sand and clay. It contains a lot of humus and can hold both water and air, so it is good for growing crops. Loam soil is soft and rich in nutrients. Uses of soil. Soil has many important uses. As habitat, there are many tiny animals that live in the soil. Animals like rabbit and mice make burrows and holes inside the soil. Snake, slug, earthworm, ant, centipede, beetle and snail also live in the soil. In winter, soil remains warm compared to the ice-cold surface. Animals like snakes, some types of insects and frogs hibernate, go to sleep, into their holes under the ground. Similarly, when it is very hot during the daytime, animals go under the soil to keep themselves moist, slightly wet, and cool. As the base of agriculture. Soil is used in agriculture where it provides as the primary nutrient plants need to grow. Soil provides water, air, and minerals to the roots. Plants have roots deep into the soil or spread out wide. This helps to hold the soil and prevents it from being blown away. Soil supports plant life indirectly supporting other forms of life. As raw material, soil is used to make many useful things. For example, glass is made from sand. Soil is also used to make materials for building houses and containers like clay ovens, pots, vases, and so on. Some types of soils have medicinal value and are used to get relief from pain and also for some beauty treatments. Rapid review. Soil contains water, air, and humus. Soil is found in a number of layers called horizons. Sandy soil is made of sand. Clayey soil is found near rivers and ponds. Loam is a mixture of sand and clay. Like, share, and subscribe.